Hi guys. In a world where men are constantly expected to carry their burdens in silence, it's so easy to forget that they're human too. These questions are designed to unlock the thoughts, dreams, and vulnerabilities that men carry but seldom share. If you're a man watching this, I want you to feel acknowledged like never before. And if you're a woman who has a good man, ask him these questions and watch how he opens up, because every man deserves to be heard, understood, and appreciated. So let's dive into these 25 essential questions that will make a significant difference in the life of every single man. How can I serve you better? How can I make your day better? How are you doing mentally? Am I satisfying you physically? Do you truly know how much I love you? Do I make you feel honored and respected the way you deserve? Have I ever done anything you felt was disrespectful? Do you know how special you are? How was your day? What kind of legacy do you want to leave behind? How can I give back for everything you do? Do you know how proud I am of you? Is there something missing in your life that I can help fulfill? Can you fix this for me? Do you feel 100% secure in my loyalty to you? Have I ever let you down? If so, how can I make it right? What is your biggest need right now? Do I make you feel like you're enough? Do you feel like you need more time with your friends? What inspires you? How can I support you better? Am I supporting you enough mentally and emotionally? Are you happy with where you are in life? How can I be better for you? Have you done something for your own happiness recently? And here's an extra one, but it's so important. Do you want something to eat? Men have a voice, and it's time to listen. Let's foster understanding, appreciation, and deeper connection, starting with these essential questions. So with that being said, until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.